Noble Oak are consummate industry professionals, manufacturing and installing market-leading plumbing and heating systems to the holiday home industry. This CD-ROM includes video tutorials that contain helpful advice when commissioning new holiday homes, recommended self-maintenance tips, and step-by-step advice for simple repairs of your holiday home. But foremost, the purpose of this interactive CD-ROM is to encourage, simplify, and improve the quality of workmanship offered by the people who are carrying out the commissioning process. Please remember that in order to validate your leisure home warranty, the water test certificate must be completed and returned to Noble Oak.